Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got a review for you. We are going to be talking about the Rug Doctor Deep Carpet Cleaner. As you can see, it's quite a beast, and it's come at the perfect time for us because we are just about to move house. So we've got lots of things in this house to clean, like rugs, carpets, mattresses and sofas, and then we'll be going over to the new house and cleaning all the carpets there too. So it's come just at the perfect time to try out. Anyway, I am going to show you how it works. So this is the Rug Doctor Deep Carpet Cleaner. You can use it on all sorts of surfaces like rugs, carpets, mattresses, sofas, any upholstery you've got in the house, so it's a really handy tool to have around. It's quite a heavy machine, but as you can see it's got these big wheels, so you don't actually need to lift it at all. You can just wheel it about, it's not a problem. On the front there's the tank for the clean water and the wastewater here. And on the back we've got the upholstery tool with the nozzle there and a super boost spray, so if there's any extra stains on the carpet you can add a little bit more water and detergent. It's super easy to use. There's a deep clean button, you can toggle between carpet and the tool, and then the handle release, so you can lift the handle up and down to suit your height. To fill the tank we just open the lid, turn it around. As you can see the detergent goes in here and you add water. So you add warm tap water into the tank, add the detergent, and then you would pour them together and close the lid. And once this is full we can just return it to the machine and click it into place, and that's all you need to do. So I'm going to go and give it a try on some different surfaces around the house. We're going to try a carpet, a rug and a sofa. As you can see I'm pregnant at the moment, but don't worry, it is really light to lift. I wouldn't lift anything that was going to risk being too heavy, but this glides along really easily. I'm really looking forward to seeing how well it's going to get everything clean. So yeah, let's give it a go. So that was the review of the Rug Doctor Deep Carpet Cleaner. I've been really pleased with the results. It's been fab to have a really good spring clean throughout the house just before we move, and also I'll be taking it to the new house. We have a dog, so I'm going to be using it all the time. It's going to be invaluable in our new house that has carpets throughout. If you enjoyed this review, please subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this, and thanks for watching.